Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to share a super simple and effective process to fix the failed to allocate video memory error, especially for Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. A lot of players have been reporting this issue, and the solutions I'm sharing today are tried and tested, so watch till the end. By the way, this error isn't limited to just this game. It's pretty common, and the same fixes can work for other games too. 90% of the time, you'll resolve it. Let's get started. First things first, restart your computer. This might sound simple, but trust me, it works. Restarting clears your system's cache and refreshes resources, which often solves the issue right away. Next, we'll increase virtual memory. Follow these steps carefully, and remember, the values I'll share are based on my system, which has 16 gigabytes RAM. You'll need to adjust them according to your own RAM. Check how much RAM you have. Right-click this PC properties to see your installed RAM. Open Advanced System Settings. In the same window, click Advanced System Settings on the left. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings in the Performance section. Adjust virtual memory. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select the drive with enough space, preferably your C: drive or a fast SSD or NVMe. Calculate your paging file size. Multiply your RAM size in gigabytes by 1024 to get the value in megabytes. For example, 16 gigabytes RAM, x 1024, and this is your 16 gigabytes in megabyte size 16,380 megabytes. For initial size, multiply this value by 1.5. 16,384 times 1.5 equals 24,576 megabytes. This is your initial memory. Copy it and paste it. For maximum size, multiply the same value with 3 times and you will get this value 49,152 megabytes. Now copy it and paste it in the maximum. Click on Set and Apply. Apply the changes, click Set, then Apply, and restart your PC. Now let's tweak your game settings. Lowering the in-game video settings can reduce the load on your system, meaning less cache generation and fewer crashes. Focus on options like texture quality and resolution. Set them to medium or low for better stability. Finally, optimize your GPU settings. Open your graphics card control panel, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, and set your GPU to high performance mode. This ensures your system allocates the most resources for gaming. And that's it. A pretty straightforward process to fix this error. I hope these steps help you out. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.